Hello all, in this video we will see how to print customized text on Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi using a simplest way. Now, till now we haven't heard of any tool, right? So, in the sense in our videos, so Arduino has provided us with a tool which is called LED Matrix Editor, which you can access from ledmatrix-editor.arduino.cc. Now, mm, using this editor, you can write your customized text and then create the frame and then load it to your code. For example, let us assume we want to print hi and exclamation mark. So you click on this and it highlights the LEDs that need to be printed. Okay, and then let us say hi. Okay, and then we have exclamation mark post that hi. Let's assume we want to print this. So we have written this, and here there is an option to download the matrix of this. It says you want to download this, and this is the matrix. And once you see, this is the matrix that is generated. Okay, you can see here all the 8 rows data is generated. Okay, for now you ignore about the other things. So these are the frame data that is there. Now when you open the code in the frame, right, you have 8 rows data. Okay, now copy this specific data. Okay, and you go to your frame data and copy it in that specific row, and similarly fill the frame. And you can see in the frame itself, if we see, okay, let us see if this works here. Okay, when I search for one, okay, you can see the high being highlighted. So using your frame, you can also see in the code itself how you will be going to visualize this in the board. So once that is done, you completed your frame, and just in the setup we are going to begin the matrix and then the render bitmap to load the pixels onto the, or basically turn on the LEDs, right? So it's now just dumping the code, compile and dump. Let us see how the high is showing up on the board. This is how it shows up on the board. To have it a clear view, let us now turn off the lights. You can see hi printed on the board. So cute, right? People love, hobbies love this.